This Scribble text effect makes any text feel hand-drawn and alive. Let's see how to make it, and you can use it for presentations, educational content, and history videos. Press Ctrl plus Y to create a white solid as your background. Then press Ctrl plus T to add a text layer and type whatever you want. I'm using Poppins Extra Bold for a clean, bold look. Right click on the text layer, create shapes from text, and then right click again, create masks from text. Now you have two new layers, one with shapes and one with masks. Select the mask layer and go to the Effects and Presets panel. Search for Scribble and apply it. In the Scribble effect, change the mode to all masks, then change the color to black. Now select the shape layer, click on fill in the toolbar and set it to none. Then click on stroke, change the color to black, and set the width to 4, and we got it. If this helped, subscribe. That's exactly what this channel is for. After Effects made simple. Next, learn how to create the transparent text effect in After Effects using only built-in effects.